Douglas County PUD is committed to providing low-cost, reliable electric service to the people of Douglas County. The Wells Hydroelectric project is our primary source of electricity. The current 50-year license to operate Wells Dam expires in 2012. With a goal of receiving a new federal license to operate the Wells project, Douglas PUD is currently involved in the Federal Energy Regulatory Commission's new Integrated Licensing Process, or ILP. In 2005, 7 years prior to the expiration of the Wells project license, Douglas PUD invited state and federal agencies, local communities, and Indian tribes to help identify data gaps and to propose studies. 4 resource work groups were formed. In December 2006, following over 50 resource work group meetings, Douglas PUD filed its Notice of Intent and pre-application documents. Filing these documents was the first formal step toward relicensing the Wells project. Shane Bickford is the district's supervisor of relicensing.
The Wells project is an important component of the nation's critical energy infrastructure, providing up to 840 megawatts of electricity for residents of the Pacific Northwest. Wells Dam is located at River Mile 515 on the Columbia River, situated approximately 50 miles north of the city of Wenatchee, Washington. The Wells project includes Wells Dam, reservoir and tail race, 2 fish hatcheries, and 2 230 kV transmission lines. The transmission lines are required to deliver electricity from Wells Dam to the regional grid and span 41 miles of land between Wells Dam and Douglas Switchyard located near Rocky Reach Dam. Prior to filing the pre-application document, Douglas PUD invested heavily in the completion of baseline studies, or inventories, which help to define the baseline environment associated with the Wells project. The voluntary baseline studies conducted during 2005 and 2006 were critical to developing a robust and accurate pre-application document, and have been an invaluable tool toward narrowing the scope of the environmental impact studies currently underway. In October 2007, the Federal Energy Regulatory Commission issued their study plan determination for the Wells project. During 2008, fieldwork began on studies that were developed by the resource work groups and proposed by Douglas PUD in the revised study plan. Information gathered from these studies, in combination with the voluntary baseline studies, will be used to guide the measures proposed in Douglas PUD's license application for the Wells project.